نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 26. In this lesson we will learn two more وزن الفعل الماضي past and verbs, and they are فعلت, I did, and فعلنا, we did. The pattern is فعلت, فعلت, I did, and the other wasn't is فعلنا, فعلنا. The na, if you remember in lesson 14, the pronoun na meaning was our or us. In the sentence إمامنا في مسجدنا, our imam is in our masjid. Imamuna fi masjidina, our imam is in our masjid. The nazamir is in the fa'alna. Fa'alna meaning we did. Fa'alna, we did. So fa'altu, I did, and fa'alna, we did is first person, the one who is speaking. First person is the one who is speaking, and it is called mutakallim. So mutakallim is the person who is speaking. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. And there are 14 awzan. Awzan are the plural of wazn. So there are 14 awzan. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'ala, they two did or they both did. Fa'alu, they all did. Fa'alat, she did. Fa'alata, they both female did. Fa'alna, the all female did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altuma, you two did or you both did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'alti, you female did. Fa'altuma, you both female did. Fa'altunna, you all female did. Fa'altu and fa'alna. So far we have studied fa'ala, he did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'alti, you female did. And now we are learning fa'altu, I did, and fa'alna, and the rest we will study in the future lessons, inshallah. So fa'altu, I did. The tu, the ta with dhamma, tu is the subject, which is the pronoun giving the meaning I. Fa'altu, I did, and fa'alna, we did. The na is the subject, which is the pronoun giving us the meaning we. Fa'alna, we did. So let's see other verbs on this pattern or wazn. If you remember, kataba, he wrote, will be katabtu on the wazn of fa'altu, meaning I wrote. Katabtu, I wrote. Katabna on the wazn of fa'alna, meaning we wrote. Katabna, we wrote. Qara'a, he read, and qara'tu on the wazn of fa'altu, meaning I read. Qara'tu, I read, and qara'na on the wazn of fa'alna, meaning we read. Qara'na, we read. Wajada, he found. Wajada, he found. Wajadtu, I found. Wajadtu, I found. Wajadna, we found. Wajadna, we found. Qataltu, I killed. Qataltu, I killed. Qatalna, we killed. Qatalna, we killed. Taraktu, I left, meaning I left something, not just I left. I left, meaning something. Taraktu, I left. Tarakna, we left. Tarakna, we left. Balaghtu, I reached. Balaghtu, I reached. Balaghna, we reached. Balaghna, we reached. Rakibtu, I rode. Rakibtu, I rode. Rakibna, we rode. Rakibna, we rode. So let's now see some sentences on these wazn. كتبت بقلمي على الجدار. كتبت, I wrote. بقلمي, with my pen. با, with قلم, pen, me, mine. بقلمي, with my pen. على الجدار, on the wall. على, on الجدار, the wall. كتبت بقلمي على الجدار. I wrote with my pen on the wall. كتبنا بأقلامنا على كتبنا. كتبنا, we wrote. بأقلامنا, with our pens. قلم is the plural of قلم. بأقلامنا, with our pens. على كتبنا, on our books. على, on. كتب is the plural of كتاب. كتبنا, our books. كتبنا بأقلامنا على كتبنا. We wrote with our pens on our books. قرأت القرآن في المسجد. قرأت, I read. القرآن, the Quran. في المسجد, in the masjid. قرأت القرآن في المسجد. I read the Quran in the masjid. قرأنا القرآن في بيتنا. قرأنا, we read. القرآن, the Quran. في بيتنا, in our house. قرأنا القرآن في بيتنا. We read the Quran in our house. بلغت بلدي اليوم. بلغت, I reached. بلدي, my city. بلد, city. The ya is for my. بلدي, my city. اليوم, today. بلغت بلدي اليوم. I reached my city today. لكن بلغنا بلدك أمس. لكن, but. بلغنا, we reached. بلدك, your city. أمس, yesterday. لكن بلغنا بلدك أمس. But we reached your city yesterday. ركبت على الفرس. ركبت, I rode. على الفرس, on the horse. ركبت على الفرس. I rode on the horse. ركبنا في سفينة البحر. ركبنا, we rode. في سفينة البحر, in the sea ship. سفينة is ship. البحر is sea or ocean. ركبنا في سفينة البحر. We rode in the sea ship. Let's do review now and see how much you have learned and how much you have understood. Question number 1. What is the meaning of كتبت? A. I wrote. B. You wrote. C. He wrote. And the correct answer is A. I wrote. كتبت, I wrote. Question number 2. What does تركنا mean? A. He killed. B. You did. C. We left. And the correct answer is C. We left. تركنا, we left. What does بلغنا mean? A. I reached. B. We reached. C. You reached. And the correct answer is B. We reached. بلغنا, we reached. Question number 4. What does وجدت mean? A. I found. B. I left. C. I wrote. And the correct answer is A. I found. وجدت, I found. Question number 5. What does قرأت mean? A. You read. B. We read. C. I read. And the correct answer is C. I read. قرأت, I read. Question number 6. Does قتلت mean A. I killed. B. You helped. C. We wrote. And the correct answer is A. I killed. قتلت, I killed. Question number 7. What is the meaning of كتبت بقلمي على الجدار? A. You wrote with my pen on the wall. B. I wrote with my pen on the wall. C. We wrote with my pen on the wall. And the correct answer is B. I wrote with my pen on the wall. كتبت بقلمي على الجدار. I wrote with my pen on the wall. Question number 8. بلغت بلدي اليوم. Does it mean A. I reached your home today? B. I reached my home yesterday? C. I reached my city today? And the correct answer is A. I reached my city today. بلغت بلدي اليوم. I reached my city today. Question number 9. قرأنا القرآن في بيتنا. A. We read the Quran in the masjid. B. We read the book in the house. C. We read the Quran in our house. And the correct answer is C. We read the Quran in our house. قرأنا القرآن في بيتنا. We read the Quran in our house. Question number 10. ركبنا في سفينة البحر. A. We rode on the sea ship. B. We rode on the sea ship. C. I rode on the sea ship. And the correct answer is B. We rode on the sea ship. ركبنا في سفينة البحر. We rode on the sea ship. Question number 11. لكن بلغنا بلدك أمس. A. But he reached your city yesterday. B. But we reached your city yesterday. C. But I reached your city yesterday. And the correct answer is B. But we reached your city yesterday. لكن بلغنا بلدك أمس. But we reached your city yesterday. And the final question is كتبنا بأقلامنا على كتبنا. Does it mean A. We wrote with our pens on our books. B. I wrote with my pen on my book. C. We wrote with your pen on my book. And the correct answer is A. We wrote with our pens on our books. كتبنا بأقلامنا على كتبنا. We wrote with our pens on our books. Studying points. Watch this video again, memorize the verbs, and learn the wazn. How this comes in the Quran, we'll study in the coming video, inshallah. It is your time to study and practice now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.